So we're in the Khan Khentii, I think that's what it's called anyway, protected area, and we camped last night. It's a really beautiful national park, and we've driven pretty much all yesterday afternoon and this morning. I'm not sure how many miles we've actually done, but the going's been quite slow. It's maybe about 60-70 miles maybe. And we've just come across this river, and I need to just wade through it and see how deep it is, so I've stripped down to my pants. I'm not looking forward to it because it's going to be absolutely freezing. Oh God, it's freezing. It's not actually that deep, but it's quite far.
Hooray!
Right, which way do we go now? Is there another?